I like to read books. I like to read books. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. He goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. We are learning English. We are learning English. They play football in the park. They play football in the park. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. She cooks tasty food. She cooks tasty food. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. We are good students. We are good students. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. I love my parents. I love my parents. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. We are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. The teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. She is reading a story. She is reading a story. He is running fast. He is running fast. We are sitting on chairs. We are sitting on chairs. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. I am learning new words. I am learning new words. She is drinking tea. She is drinking tea. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. We are listening to music. We are listening to music. The boy is playing with toys. The boy is playing with toys. The girl is dancing. The girl is dancing. I am writing homework. I am writing homework. She is washing clothes. She is washing clothes. He is cleaning the room. He is cleaning the room. We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. The train is coming. The train is coming. The bus is full. The bus is full. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. She is buying vegetables. She is buying vegetables. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. We are walking slowly. We are walking slowly. The stars are shining. The stars are shining. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. I am learning English grammar. I am learning English grammar. She is smiling. She is smiling. He is laughing. He is laughing. We are clapping hands. We are clapping hands. The children are happy. The children are happy. The garden is green. The garden is green. I am sleeping early. I am sleeping early. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. He is standing outside. He is standing outside. We are waiting for lunch. We are waiting for lunch. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. I am wearing shoes. I am wearing shoes. She is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. He is cutting paper. He is cutting paper. We are eating together. We are eating together. The shop is open. The shop is open. The road is empty. The road is empty. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. She is drinking milk. She is drinking milk. He is cooking rice. He is cooking rice. We are learning numbers. We are learning numbers. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress. He is helping his mother. He is helping his mother. We are visiting the park. We are visiting the park. The room is clean. The room is clean. The table is brown. The table is brown. I am watching cartoons. I am watching cartoons. She is looking at the mirror. She is looking at the mirror. He is fixing the bike. He is fixing the bike. We are playing games. We are playing games. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. The teacher is smiling. The teacher is smiling. I am drawing pictures. I am drawing pictures. She is dancing on the stage. She is dancing on the stage. He is drinking coffee. He is drinking coffee. We are celebrating a birthday. We are celebrating a birthday. The lamp is glowing. The lamp is glowing. The fan is moving. The fan is moving. I am learning English sentences. I am learning English sentences. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is washing his face. He is washing his face. We are clapping loudly. We are clapping loudly. The baby is smiling. The baby is smiling. The shopkeeper is talking. The shopkeeper is talking. I am opening a book. I am opening a book. She is closing the window. She is closing the window. He is repairing shoes. He is repairing shoes. We are waiting at home. We are waiting at home. The door is locked. The door is locked. The car is moving. The car is moving. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice. She is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. He is carrying a bag. He is carrying a bag. We are learning together. We are learning together.